Here we are under the bridge. So that video's gone live. I've painted that piece, not the best, a bit scrappy in places, but yeah, it's alright. It's always better, I think, to do like more emulsion around the outside. It looks a bit shit where it's just kind of sitting on a little slab of emulsion. But anyway, it is what it is. There's loads of builders stuff under here. Cause, I chat to that guy on Instagram. Seems to be a new local guy, not sure how old he is. But yeah, today I want to paint this. It looks like there's some horrible dripping water shit coming down, which is going to be a bit grim, but yeah, I want to move this builder's stuff out of the way. And yeah, paint this bit. Big piece. Big, simple, easy to read from the train line, which is just there. Train line comes along there, so yeah. Let's get cracking.
you go, that was it for this video. Definitely a fun piece to paint, that one. I quite like painting pieces up ladders. There's something really satisfying about it once it's finished. Perspectives are definitely difficult to get right whilst you're up a ladder. More difficult than just painting a big piece on the ground level, I think, anyway. So yeah, that was it for this video. If you want to see me review the cap that I used to do the chrome fill on this piece, there should be a link to that video in this corner, and if you want to subscribe to me, it should be in this corner. And yeah, thanks for watching this video. Drop a comment, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.